Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy buffalo chicken dip, so let's get started with the video. Begin by prepping your ingredients. Shred pepper jack cheese and mild cheddar cheese. Then chop some green onions. Next, remove the skin and bones from a rotisserie chicken. Also, don't be afraid to take a wing or a leg for yourself as a snack. Next, chop and shred the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Use your hands or a pair of forks to help shred the chicken. When you finish shredding your chicken, place it inside a bowl. When you're finished, place your chicken in a large bowl. Then add 1 packet of ranch seasoning mix, 1 teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then mix everything together. Next, add 8 ounces of cream cheese, a half a cup of ranch dressing, a half a cup of blue cheese dressing, 1 cup of Frank's RedHot sauce, a half a cup of pepper jack cheese, a half a cup of mild cheddar cheese, and a half a cup of green onions. Once you've added all of your ingredients, mix everything together until well combined. Once you've finished mixing everything together, set your mixture to the side. Next, lightly grease a baking dish or a cast iron skillet. Next, pour the dip into the pan. Once you've added the dip, evenly spread it throughout the pan. Then add a layer of cheese on top. When you're finished, place your dip into the oven at 375 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Once your dip has finished cooking, let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes and then top it with green onions and serve with chips. And this is the finished result. This dip was super easy to make and it tasted great. It's the perfect easy appetizer for any party or event. I prefer to serve mine with tortilla chips, but you can also serve it with crackers or toasted slices of bread. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!